163 million Terra Classic LUSD coin destroyed today. 163 million coins have been destroyed. And if they can do this in 10 days, definitely about 1.6 billion coins will be destroyed in 10 days. But, Luna have been burning between 5 to 10 billion coins every month. Since the past 3 months, the average burning of Luna has been from 180 to 200 million, though that have actually dropped. I was even surprised to see that Luna was able to burn over 163 million coins because the market volume of Luna is totally down, okay? But with this recent burning, I'm happy to see that they burn such high level of Terra Classic coins, okay? Normally, if it is based on the trading volume, I don't think they should be able to burn about 30 million coins today. But I'm surprised to see 163 million. Well, for me, let's still see if something can happen. But I definitely said it 2 months ago that in the next 3 months, if Terra Classic fails to bounce back, it's going to be over. And that 3 months will be ending this month. Yeah, this month of August is going to make it the 3 months, like I said before. Now, I still have strong feeling that Luna will continue to drop. Yes, Luna will continue to drop this month. But whatever it may be, let's just watch out because there's nothing one can do about it. It depends on what plans and what project the founders have, the developers have for Luna. If it works out for them, fine. If it not works, everyone walks away. But remember, people have really lost a lot of money. That is why we want to see it work so that people can still bounce, make money with the Terra Classic. So the Terra Classic can still rise, hit back and start pumping and start rising back again. Well, but please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.